Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice right here on Ghana and 7TVGH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Yeah, land minister, Armah Kofi Buah, he's in the news. And he's in the news for all the bad reasons. And is it John 10:30 and Jesus wept? He said, this, there's nothing new. John 10:30 and Jesus wept. They say John 2, and I said John 4, and then about 21, and Kofi Buah wept. Now, when you know, I don't know, your minister, a cabinet minister, your natural land and natural resources minister, I don't know, because camera in him. Na eso no kra de na yenim se e azan ye settings nkwa ba yen fa ne se we so de asema o si galamse o si se na galamse se tie no we lose hope esan se ne wo textbook mu nyina no ase we try ni nyina na enye yi de na wanye o si ya wa chesi galamse yes no we wakwa educate o munyina no still galamsey ya na omuye na ebe bisa ya hu say Armah Kofi Buah eba na wo opposition no wa na wo ka say galamsey to be able to fight galamsey na serve o mampeni and say MPP aban no and declare state of emergency eni amene wo kasa wo minister e was our same industry no natural lands and natural resources. Then I will to me as a minister and declare state of emergency. Now, who soon say? A swan will sue the medium you are in Tiasia because whilst you were in opposition, you knew better. And yes, sir, you knew better. That was why you were even advising government say yes, any. And to what ban since you wouldn't solution now, you just apply those solutions and get Ghanaians the results, which results in say our water bodies will become neat. And indeed, we have seen, and evidence also shows that since NDC by from 7th January, they say the YNCO there assess in fact, first now NCO no etimi flow, right? It can flow from one side to the other. They say galamseyers have been able to create their own dams.
The fact still remains that it was during the NDC's period, all the discoveries in Ghana today, and I made it clear, is the record, over 23 recoveries. 21 of the recoveries were discovered under our period, and I'm very proud of it. And as a result,
and in Siono and flow galamsey no say first na ase na omo ye galamsey no won nsuo no chen say no o ma stop nsuo no afere omo ye galamsey no e won san nsuo nim san na ekoso be bebre and minister no to me say onim say your evidences say soldiers corporations na NDC chairman akọ stop you mu say e ba ne say na omo ba be operation wa ha na obi amfre na ka che ne say soldiers be ba rent omo ma omo nko acronym. Say ni now on tape AyEka. And as I say man AyEka na afre there minister akofasa and system bi by say Akonta man na omo investigation bi Akonta man ye chairman Wontumi there. I recommend them lands mineral commission say they should take away the license of Akonta mining.
He was accosted on the road by an angry NDC constituency chairman who says he was not consulted before the operation. Some party faithful, some of whom were mining in the town, blocked the road, preventing the team from assessing the impact of galamsey in the town. An aerial scan revealed a huge excavation in the middle of the Dunkwal township, close to the main bridge. An angry mob threatening to face off with the armed soldiers besieged the bridge where the team had parked their vehicles. Reporting for Joy News, Erasmus.
Now I read that the press conference Minister Kosun you asemo. Yeah, now say settings. Government way there. Say from 7th January and I'm starting settings. They be settings. It's read Accra 21st April 2025. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen of the press. As you may recall from our previous engagement, this government under the leadership of His Excellency President John Dramani Mahama remains unwavering in our commitment to eradicate the scourge of illegal mining in Yenugre. Mupati for na mining. John Mahama on him for mining. Who minister and also him for mining. So we have National Security, National Investigation, Intelligence Bureau. And they pick up investigation. So by now, the president who receives intelligence briefing almost every day will know which people might be behind the galamseyers. So you are not committed to fight the galamsey. Because some judge or Mayen who say, if Akufo-Addo were committed to fighting galamsey within a week or 2 weeks, Akufo-Addo could have eradicated galamsey. You have been in power for more than 2 weeks. So by the Sam George analogy, you are not committed to eradicating galamsey.
But the pause that genuinely must be for people who love this country and who understand.
Like a state of emergency.
Yes, we have to declare it. Declare a state of emergency. And go back to the drawing table. We know what the problem is.
You've had 79 days in office. Why haven't you declared state of emergency?
We are treating the matter as an emergency matter. I've just told you. Now we are working on the clock 24 hours a day. The thing is that in a free society, even when there's crisis, you try to solve it without creating fear and panic. And that's what this government
But it's not a national state of emergency. I think that's the claim in September, October, which I believe you agreed with, was that state of emergency should be declared in specific areas.
I think we are.
And you agreed to that?
We are already doing it.
You have not.
So it's a lie. An environmental sin against humanity and against God. We promise to carry the good people of Ghana along with periodic updates, and today I'm here to provide key developments in this fight. Last month, we assured the nation that we would intensify efforts to trace the financiers and owners of the heavy-duty equipment used for illegal mining. Today, we are pleased to announce a significant breakthrough in this critical fight. One of the most egregious cases we have uncovered involves Akonta mining, where in settings. Wontumi and send them about buying everything possible. These are things that we were expecting. Why bidder and why in the first coming of John Mahama? Oh yeah, Wontumi even had to cry on TV. And he said, "Once about buying mono, you do the same thing, and nothing new." But you see, in the end, you'll be exposed because the water bodies are not going to get any neater, and we are seeing it. And we are seeing and we are hearing how your party people have owned the whole galamsey trade. And then we are over say person drag it my Wontumi's name into all this and also person send human that will convince Ghanaians that you are fighting. You are not fighting against galamsey, and it is worse under your government. This has been the political round with me, the voice, right here on Ghana and TV GH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Then bye bye, cheers. See you in the next one.